Hello crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back on today with another craft fair idea. I decided to make these stocking stuffers. They're basically pinwheel candy wands, I guess you want to call them. I'm not really sure. I just kind of came up with this idea and I thought it was super cute, so I wanted to come on and share. Alright, so basically what I did was I bought these straws, and they're like plastic sturdy straws from the Walmart Christmas section. I used the Sizzix pinwheel die to create my not pinwheel, but peppermint die, I'm sorry, and my Sizzix Bigs die to create the gingerbread man. Really simple. I added glitter hearts, a little bit of pom-pom trim. I did pick up these tags from Michael's Christmas section, and I just die cut out that word believe, and then I added glitter to the house just to jazz up the tag a little bit, and that is it. Super simple and really cute, and I figured this would be fun stocking stuffer for a child. So that's what I'm gonna label it. So there's one example right there, and they're all a little bit different. I did do some pink and white peppermint, and again the little tag, and I think I shared this one with you guys in another video, but I decided to turn it into this lollipop wand. This one is absolutely adorable. I've shared that little gingerbread guy before. He's from AliExpress, and this tag looks like this. I used the Fa La La metal die that I have from my stash, and again I glittered up the little Christmas tag and just to make it a little bit more festive, and I think that came out absolutely adorable. I did pick up this cellophane from Hobby Lobby, in case you're wondering, in the party section, and then I also picked up iridescent party or cellophane as well. I just thought that was kind of fun, and this one looks like this, and I added a little pearl to the door. And what else? I think they're all pretty much the same. Some are with the iridescent and this tag right here, and then the other ones just have the heart and says believe. They're all a little bit different, I guess. They're not all the same, but pretty much. Super cute. So I hope you guys are inspired and like what I created. I think this is really fun. As you can see, I have this really pretty glass jar. This is going to have, this is how I'm going to display it in my craft fair, in this glass jar that I think I picked up from Target. I think I picked it up from Target. I'm not even sure. Anyway, I thought it would be cute to display on my craft table. So that is my crafty craft fair idea for you. Again, quick video. Leave me a comment. Hope you're inspired. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye for now.